Hi, welcome back to EaseUS channel. Today, our tutorial focuses on how to download photos from iCloud to PC. You may have many photos on your iPhone and sync them to the iCloud account. Transferring photos to a computer allows you to avoid data loss and free up space on your iPhone. Or you can easily view and edit your iCloud photos on PC. It is necessary to learn how to download photos from iCloud to computer. There are two ways to help you do it. Let's get started. Our first method is to download photos from iCloud to computer through iCloud website. First, make sure you've enabled iCloud Photos on iPhone. Go to Settings, tap your name, iCloud, and Photos. Turn on Sync this iPhone. Later, visit iCloud.com on your computer. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign in. After logging in, you can see photos on the iCloud profile. Please click it. Then, select the photos you want to download or move from iCloud to PC. Click the download icon to download photos from iCloud to your PC. This is a secure way to download iCloud photos, and there is no need for third-party apps or any additional software. However, iCloud only offers 5 GB storage for free, and iCloud.com only allows up to 1,000 photos to be downloaded to the computer at a time. That's why we recommend EaseUS MobiMover as an alternative method. If you have a large number of photos to download from iCloud, use a reliable transfer tool, EaseUS MobiMover. Go to its official website and click Try it free to download MobiMover to your computer. Then, follow the steps. Step 1. Launch MobiMover on your computer and click the iCloud Manager mode. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Step 2. After you sign in, click Export iCloud data to computer with one click. Step 3. Select the data type you want to transfer to your computer, like photos, and click Next. MobiMover will immediately start the transfer process. Wait patiently until it finishes. After that, you can view the files or transfer more. That's it. This is a quick and easy way to download photos from iCloud to PC. It helps download more than 1,000 photos from iCloud to computer. It offers more features, like managing iCloud data and uploading files to iCloud. Note that you need a computer to use MobiMover. That's all for today's video. You have two effective ways to download photos from iCloud to PC. Using EaseUS MobiMover is an easy and quick option for you to do this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech guides.